Hey, nieces and nephews, it's a rainy day in Chicago, so what's there to do? Food pantry run and delivery. Come on.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking.
All right, we're going to start from left to right, but we're going to do something a little bit different. And oh, you may notice an addition to our cabinets. I want to ask you, should it be on the counter or should it be placed above? It's going to be a wine rack. Isn't that cool? All right, all right. Now, today we're doing something a little bit different. The food you see in the boxes, I'm going to deliver to a family that wishes to be off camera, but they desperately need some of this food. In fact, they need all of it, so I'm giving it to them. Now, the stuff that's outside, I'm going to keep. We're going to start with what's outside here. We've got some, granola cereal. What is this? Cranberry, yeah. Got 4 of those for Jay in the morning. And I also have some walnuts. Uncle Mike loves these things to death. I mean, he is crazy about some walnuts, okay? Now, let's see what's in the boxes. Check this out. Wow. We've got 2 boxes of macaroni and cheese. We've got a bag of bacon bits. Look at that. Chopped bacon. If I can get that in focus. That is so cool. Let's see. We've got 2 things of 1 pound ground beef. Well, this is the good stuff too. Look at that. We got 2 of these. Okay. So I got 2 of these in here for them. I've got a whole bag of chicken drumsticks. That is fantastic. We've got them some cereal, some cornflakes, some white navy beans. Lovely. Soon I'll be showing you guys my bean soup. We've got them some pasta sauce, some cranberry sauce, some mixed fruit, or fruit cocktail as they call it, some more pasta sauce, peanut butter, Jif. Ooh. Not sponsored, but if they want to. Look, Concord grape jelly. Love it, love it, love it. Got some SpaghettiOs. 2 cans of Star-Kissed tuna. I love this. Pink salmon. Look at that. Whole kernel corn, no salt added. You know this is my favorite. And some pasta, elbow pasta, to go along with that sauce, or depending upon how they want to do it. Yeah. We're going to put this all back in here. They are going to love this. And that bacon, oh my goodness, what you can do with that. So many things. So many things. Now, over here, we have another box for them. Packed up. Check it out. Mini cucumbers. These are so sweet. And what these are good for, you can make agua fresca melon cucumber water. It is so good with these. So good. Then we have a wonderful cantaloupe, an individual watermelon, 3 pounds of sweet potatoes. I also got a bag of regular white potatoes for them. We have 4 apples here and a pineapple Love pineapple. You can also make this in your agua fresca. Put this in there too. It's just, oh my goodness. You have not lived until you've had that. Or a pineapple watermelon smoothie. Or margarita. Oh, yes. That would be excellent. That's a wonderful veggie and fruit care package for them right here. Now, I got 2 things of this bread here. What type is it? I don't know. French bagel bread? Is that what they call it? French baguette. Haha. So they're going to get one thing, and I'm going to keep one. Then we've got, of course, these wonderful breads here. The French bread. Oh, this is so good. Look at that. Look at that. Then I've got some, what are these, like muffins? Little rolls? Yeah, look, dinner rolls. Yeast dinner rolls. Oh, yum. Yes. And then I have some jumbo white hoagie bread here for sandwiches, which I will do a sandwich day. We're going to do a soup and sandwich day. This is wonderful. This I'm going to turn into garlic bread. These, I might have these as butter rolls, just to go along with dinner with some gravy and whatnot. Liver and onion night. I know, some people don't like that. This makes excellent bruschetta and garlic bread. Now let's take a pan of what we got. They're going to be so happy when they get this. I'm so glad to help out. Now, look in the link below in the description and see some places you can get help to get food. And maybe I can look up in your area and see exactly what's good for you, in your area that might not be available here, okay? All right, write to me at Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef, at Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com. Okay? I know I'm crazy, long-winded, and whatnot. Also, let me know what you want me to cook, and let me know about the cabinet. And let me know what you want me to film. Just tell me. I'll do it. I want to say hi to Miss Inna Pickle and all my new nieces and nephews that have joined. Okay? Salty Assassins, hang in there, man. It gets better, okay? Big love from Uncle Chris. 5,000 subscribers. Pass me around, okay? Let people know to write to me if they need some help. I got some resources I can refer them to, all right? All right.